University of Suffolk, Brightspace Tutorials. Creating an overview page. Hello, in this tutorial we're going to look at the overview page. Where do we find it? What does it do? How can you edit it? Every Brightspace module has an overview page. It's important because it's the first page that students will see when they first select content in your module. This gives you the opportunity to orientate your students and make sure that they know what to do next. It's an essential part of any Brightspace module, so we recommend including a few key features. Firstly, a brief welcome to the module. You could do this in text form or as a video if you prefer. It's almost certainly a good idea to attach your module guide as a PDF. Secondly, a paragraph where you set and manage the expectations of your students. How are you hoping that they will use it? How essential is it in the delivery of your module? How long will it take them to work through the content? Thirdly, some signposting. Point them in the direction of where they should go next. Do they simply choose the first folder and topic, or can they choose which order they'd like to view the materials in? Finally, outline the support mechanisms. Who do they contact if they have a query? Who should they talk to in the event of a technical issue? Now that we know what an overview page is, let's look at where it is located. We'll start on the module homepage for the module that we want to create an overview for. If you're not sure of how to get there, you might want to look at our tutorial on navigating Brightspace. First off, select Content from the navbar. Select Overview from the sidebar. You're now in the right place. Let's look quickly at how to input the information. Click in the grey box to bring up the HTML editor. The Insert Stuff button will let you put in a range of media. It's from here that you could record or upload a video note or select one you've uploaded before. We'll cancel out of this. You've then got the Insert Image button and you can choose a range of places to insert the image from. The Quick Links button is next to that. This one lets you insert links to elsewhere in the Brightspace module. Then you've got a simple range of the usual text editing tools, much like you'll be used to in Microsoft Word or in Outlook. Next up is the attachment box. Like I said, this is the ideal place to put a PDF of your module guide. It just gives that added ease of access for students to answer some common questions that they might otherwise come to you about. I'll show you how to drag in a file. If you want to avoid dragging down to the taskbar, you can also use the Alt-Tab keyboard shortcut while dragging the file. In it goes in its own document viewer. If you change your mind or the guide is updated, go to the drop-down menu next to Overview and you'll be given the option of changing or removing the attachment. So, that's the overview page. Let's look at a complete one that I've already made. I've got a little welcome video at the top, which does unfortunately contain my face. Below that, some text that welcomes the student, points them in the right direction, manages their expectations of the module, and gives them a point of contact. And at the bottom is our module guide. You've got all you need to make a cracking overview page there. It's easily overlooked, but is very important for orientating your students and sending them in the right direction. Thank you for watching. For more information about Brightspace, visit our LibGuides pages on libguides.us.ac.uk/Brightspace. Here you'll find details about support or training, what to do if you have specific questions, as well as a range of tutorials and FAQs.